So this is the data set which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. So our data set is loaded. So let's change the canvas background first. Okay. Now let's build our first card. Okay. And let's have rating in the field and aggregation as average. So this will show us average rating. Category label off, title on, average rating. Okay. Uh, Visual border on, shadow on. Oh, all done, I guess. No. Hmm. Okay. Let's change the text to white. And now copying the same couple of times. Okay. So our main design is ready. So now let's build the second card, which is going to be, let's do it reviews and count. So total reviews. Change the title, total reviews. Okay. Now third one is highest rating. So adding rating over here and making it max. So 5 star is the max rating. Okay. And let's add another card with least rating, which is of course going to be 1. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Uh, let's build our first visualization, which is going to be, uh, let's depict car model and reviews. Uh, maximum reviews. So 5 star has been rated the most, 1389 times, 4.88 1000 times, and so on. Rating sound. Make it white. And let's have another visualization. Rating, but by year or date. Max 13 ratings were done on 124, 10 on 76, and so on. And now uh, let's rename it reviews overview. Okay. And let's add an image. Let's add some random car. Some more. Okay. Now mm, let's add button navigator, page navigator over here. Okay. So now let's add, now duplicate the page. So the second page is customer analysis. Okay. So now let's build our second dashboard without changing the user layout and design. So let's keep it lowest rating. Uh, Vehicle titles. Vehicle titles. And total ratings. Okay, now let's change the visualization. Hmm. So sedan got the maximum rating 68. So that's it, I guess. Control plus first page, second page. See you next time.